Hi, good afternoon. Another day, another surgery. So our case for today is no scar breast augmentation. No? So this is new. Bago lang po ito, no? Wala pong makikitang peklat sa chest wall. Wala sa ilalim, wala sa periareolar, wala pong hiwa dyan. Ang ating pong incision is axillary, sa kilikili po. No? Well, actually, we are doing this before, yung axillary approach. Although it's not popular, because when you do axillary approach for breast augmentation, it's a blind procedure. No, hindi po nyo kasi makikita. No, alam po ninyo, tayo ay safe surgeon po tayo. When you say safe surgeon, dapat po nakikita natin yung ino-opera natin. So usually po, we do it under the breast, yung inframammary incision. Yun ang most common kasi pag niretract mong ganyan, kita mo lahat. No? Kita mo yung buong breast, yung buong field. So, you can check the nerves, you can check the bleeders kung may nagdudugo. No? So, yung areolar, dun sa may nipple, pwede din po yun. Ginagawa rin po, common din po yan. Kita rin po yung operative field. Yung axillary, kaya hindi po siya popular kasi hindi po nakikita yung ino-opera. No, it's a blind procedure. But this time, it's not going to be blind because I'm going to do it laparoscopically. No, meron po tayong monitor. No, may video tayo so I can see the breast under the muscle or above the muscle. So maybe this time I'm going to do it under the muscle. No? So, well, I will check kung kaya po above the muscle po natin ilalagay. No? Kasi mas madali gumaling, mas less ang pain. So yan po, this is new. Bago lang po natin gagawin ito, ang laparoscopic breast augmentation. No scar breast augmentation. So, I'll see you at the OR. Another day, another surgery. Another day. Another watch. Aquanaut. See you. Hi, we're done. I'm done with breast augmentation. No scar. No? As you can see, wala pong inframammary scar. Wala pong periareolar scar. No? So, scarless, laparoscopic po. Nandito po yung ating tower. We did the laparoscopic breast augmentation. Axillary. So, wala pong peklat. No? So, magpa-follow up po siya after 1 week. Titignan po natin yung kanyang ano. Bali po yan, parang natural. Walang scar na makikita. No? As if she was born with it. See you. Another day, another surgery.